many ducks were there?
4 or 5.
I worry about telling you how much she can keep warm because the temperature is a lot. The temperature is a lot colder right now. So, is that going to be too many babies underneath her that she won't be able to keep them?
Okay, quick sort of fast update. All the chicks are in here. They're all still alive. Everyone's looking good. Mama's 3 ducklings are in here. She's broody in the box. The geese came in with on who knows how many eggs or whose eggs they are. This is full of ducks, chickens, who knows. There could be a goose, turkey, peacock, or cow in here because I don't even know. I need to learn how to freaking count. My stuff is gonna hatch. This one, nothing's hatching, but these are ducks who I don't think are supposed to hatch yet. Oh, wait. Okay. These, I know whose these are. So, those are mama's eggs, so her babies are hatching. Okay. Let's look. Yep, I was right. Okay. That's cool. Oh, the poor pheasant wants to go back to the mom, but he or she'll get crushed. Oh, poor baby. Oh, the poor pheasant wants to go back to the mom, but he or she'll get crushed.